Homeowners, if you bought a home in the last couple of years, you might be sitting in a great position to make your life a heck of a lot easier. I can free up thousands of dollars over the next few months just by restructuring your current debt. Now, this may sound too good to be true, but this financial opportunity comes with a smart mortgage refinance. Interest rates are dropping and the market is shifting. The interest rate market has given us a very few chances to save over the last 3 years, but the window is open. This is your chance to save and save big. We're talking about potentially lowering your monthly payment, reducing your overall interest, and even possibly eliminating your mortgage insurance, or at least reducing it. But that's not all. What if you could defer 2 payments, get an escrow refund for whatever balance is remaining, all while keeping the money in your pocket right when you need it most? Listen, time is of the essence. These rates will not last forever, and every day you wait could cost you more money. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about refinancing your mortgage right now. We'll show you the step-by-step process to maximize your savings and take advantage of this unique window of opportunity. If you're ready to discover how to save thousands and potentially defer payments for the next 2 months, hit the like button. Don't miss out on this chance to take control of your financial future. Subscribe now, stay tuned, and let's dig into the secrets of mortgage refinancing that the banks, frankly, don't want you to know. Welcome back to my channel. If you bought a home in the last couple of years, this video is for you. With interest rates dropping, it's time to run the numbers and see if refinancing makes sense for you right now. We're going to dig into the benefits of why acting now could save you thousands. It's pretty simple, and this can be done without a credit check. However, it will be needed in the end. And if you want to get an exact figure, you certainly are going to need a credit check. If you have a good idea of where your credit is, you will be able to get a good quote, a good accurate quote to see where the numbers come in. First thing, you want to send in a mortgage statement that will allow us to evaluate the balance on your mortgage, the balance in your escrow account, and the amount being collected for taxes and insurance. Second, you'll want to provide us with an insurance declaration page to double check the current premiums along with the due date. And then third, if you have it, it's going to be super helpful. A tax bill or current tax assessment. If you don't, listen, most counties and cities do a pretty good job of making this accessible online. With all of this information, we will be able to break down the numbers to see if it makes sense to take the next steps of completing a mortgage application and then providing the income documentation. Now, why would you even want to do this? The most obvious reason to refinance is to secure a lower interest rate, but let's break down all the different benefits that are involved. Lower monthly payments. By securing a lower rate, your monthly payments can decrease, giving you more financial flexibility. Increased monthly cash flow, which can be used to pay down additional debt, put into savings or some sort of investment, put the money back into the mortgage, reducing the term and the overall interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. Reduce total interest. Over the life of the loan, you'll pay significantly less interest just by refinancing to a lower interest rate. That should make a lot of sense. Now, depending upon how long you've been in that mortgage, there could be some factors that we need to evaluate. A shorter loan term. You might be able to shorten your loan term without changing your monthly payment, allowing you to build equity faster. So similar to what I just explained, you may not need that monthly savings or that increase in cash flow. You're doing fine with the current payments. But if you had the ability to shed years or a decade off your mortgage while keeping the same payment, doesn't that make sense? Saving you tens of thousands of dollars in interest over the life of the loan. Even with all the talk about a housing crash, where is it? I haven't seen it. We just saw another 7% increase in nationwide housing prices. When you bought your house and you initially put down less than 20%, you probably are paying private mortgage insurance in some form or fashion. A refinance can help eliminate PMI altogether by reaching the 20% equity threshold, further reducing your monthly mortgage expenses. If not eliminating it altogether, it may reduce it as you gain more equity and your new MI factor may be even lower. Another way to save. If you haven't felt or noticed the increase, you're about to. Property taxes and homeowners insurance premiums have increased significantly over the last several years, affecting your total monthly mortgage payment through your escrow adjustments. Refinancing lets you reset these payments accurately, avoiding future surprises. Setting up your loan correctly now ensures your escrow reflects current taxes and insurance, stabilizing your monthly payment. Your servicer pays out your taxes and your insurance premium no matter how much you have in your escrow account. That's part of what the responsibility of a servicer is. Keep you current on your taxes and keep you insured. Due to these increases, I've seen many experience, including myself, experience an escrow shortage. In other words, you didn't have enough money in the escrow account to pay your taxes and your insurance. Well, that money needs to be paid back. The servicer will ask that you pay it back in a lump sum or over a period of 12 months. If you do not have the money to pay this back, you will have to opt for the 12-month payback, increasing your monthly mortgage payments even more. Another reason to possibly take advantage of a refinance. Here's another benefit I don't like to talk a whole heck of a lot about because many misunderstand how this actually works. However, every day I'm taking a call from another previous borrower, somebody looking to save money due to the added costs of living expenses right now. Folks are in need. They need help saving money and making cash available. So one of the unique benefits of refinancing is to potentially defer payments for up to 2 months. While you're not skipping any interest, this deferment can provide short-term financial relief, allowing you to catch up on other expenses or pay off high-interest debts. You will pay for this in the long run, there's no doubt about it, but it does allow you some short-term relief. Additionally, during the process, when we close out your current mortgage, you will receive an escrow refund for any amount remaining. I just went over that many are seeing a shortage in their escrow accounts right now, so you cannot count on this as a sure thing. Again, many are in need of short-term financial relief, and this can provide some relief, some needed relief. During the process of the mortgage refinance, we will set up a brand new escrow account, funding the new account to make certain that your taxes and insurance are paid on time and in full. This money is rolled into the loan, so it is not free, but it does provide a benefit for those that are in need. Timing is crucial. With the current economic climate and rate reductions already priced into the market, now is an optimal time to consider refinancing. Delaying might mean missing out on these rates that we haven't seen for some time. So if you're a homeowner, it's time to crunch the numbers. Contact me or my team of advisors to see how refinancing can benefit you. Remember, every single situation is unique. Everybody has their own financial fingerprint. So get an accurate, personalized assessment. Subscribe for more tips on managing your mortgage and maximizing your investment. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't be afraid to drop any sort of questions, any experiences that you may have had during a refinance. I love to hear from you and would love to answer any sort of questions. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family who are homeowners. My name is Darin Hunter. Thanks for watching, and that is another guaranteed video.